In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make hollow text here in Kittl. Now, once you have your text on the screen, just like this, we want to click onto that text and we first want to add a border. Now, we can do that by coming over here to the right-hand side where it says border and clicking on the little plus icon. Now, if we click on there, we first want to increase the border weight to however we want. For this example, let's just go round about there, but then we want to click onto the colour. This is red, yours might be different, but we're going to click onto the colour, come down to opacity / alpha, and then we want to reduce this all the way down to 0, just like that. And now this text is hollow. So if we take this text below it and start putting it behind it, we can see that that text is in fact hollow. So nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to create hollow text here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.